This is a video for molar and mass solubility of insoluble salts that have very low Ksp values. For example, the mass solubility of aluminum hydroxide with a Ksp equal to 5.0 times 10 to the minus 33. To determine the molar solubility or the mass solubility of aluminum hydroxide, the pattern is quite simple with steps involved that will guide you to get the right answer. So aluminum hydroxide solid is in equilibrium with aluminum ions and hydroxide ions. The stoichiometry will be 1 mole of Al3 plus ions to 3 moles of hydroxide ions. The next step is to set up the ice table. The ice table is for initial change and equilibrium of the chemical species that are present in solution. So the initial amount of aluminum hydroxide solid is equal to 1, and effectively we could just ignore it because the concentrations do not change for solids and liquids. The initial amount of product ions are 0. For the next row on change, the amount of change that occurs for solid is none. The change in the product ions will be represented by a value of X for aluminum ions and 3X for the hydroxide ions because that is the stoichiometric ratio or the coefficient between aluminum and the hydroxide ion. And finally, for the equilibrium row, the equilibrium value of the product ions are important. They are given the value of X for aluminum 3 plus and 3X for the hydroxide ion. The third step is to write the solubility product expression and also fill in the data. The equilibrium solubility product expression is Ksp is equal to the concentration of aluminum 3 plus times the concentration of OH minus to the power of 3. Fill in that data of 5.0 times 10 to the minus 33 is equal to X times 3x cubed. This is equal to 27x to the power of 4. To solve this, we need to calculate the fourth root of 1.85 times 10 to the minus 34. The fourth step, solve for x. Using a sharp calculator, press the number 4, press the second function key, then the y to the power x key, then 1.85, the exponent key, followed by the negative 34. Your answer is x is equal to 3.7 times 10 to the negative 9. Now you could replace the value of x with the concentration of 3.7 times 10 to the minus 9 moles per liter for aluminum ions and 3 times x for the hydroxide ion, 1.1 times 10 to the minus 8 moles per liter. The molar mass of each of these species, you could look it up on the periodic table, 27.0 grams per mole for aluminum ions. The hydroxide ions would be 17 grams per mole. Multiplying the molar amounts, moles per liter, times grams per mole, will give you the mass concentration of the species. Our aluminum ions will be 1.7 times 10 to the minus 7 grams per liter. For our hydroxide ions, 1.9 times 10 to the minus 7 grams per liter. And this could be equated to the parts per billion, ppb. 0.10 ppb for aluminum ions and 0.19 ppb for the hydroxide ions. This value of 3.7 times 10 to the negative 9, because it's a 1-to-1 stoichiometric ratio between aluminum ions and aluminum hydroxide, This is the molar solubility of aluminum hydroxide. The mass solubility is equal to 3.7 times 10 to the negative 9 moles per liter times the molar mass of aluminum hydroxide, 78 grams per mole. This is equal to 0.9 times 10 to the minus 7 grams per liter, or 0.29 ppb for parts per billion.